This lake didn't boil. It didn't erupt. It silently killed 1,700 people overnight. In 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon suddenly released a cloud of carbon dioxide. It was invisible, silent, and it suffocated everything: humans, animals, even insects. Scientists call it a limnic eruption. Gas builds up under deep water until it explodes. No fire, no lava, just air that kills. Today, other lakes around the world are showing the same deadly signs. So here's the question. Would you swim in a lake that might explode without warning?